Hi everyone, in this video I will explain the source code of OneIT. Let's open the first folder, boom.xml. I am using Maven. Maven is a package manager for dependencies. So any project need maybe external files. So all external libraries, it's here. You can find it here. So I'm using Spring Framework. So it will show that I'm using Spring Framework. I'm using Timely for HTML. I'm using MySQL for database. So any library used for the project, it will be listed here. Okay, and let's go. This public folder, any document uploaded by user, it will be located here. Okay, and any backup created by user, it will be located here. Okay, then let's go to the source. This is the source. We have the main, we have Java and resources. Java, any code written by Java programming language, it will be in this folder, and any HTML file to be located in resources. So let's go to resources, and for statics, for HTML, for CSS and JavaScript will be located in statics, and some like Android application, it's here located. Okay, and template, you will find all the HTML pages here for assets, for clearance, document, department. Okay, let's go to Java. Java here, config for configurations, like for first time we run the application, so we need to add the admin users and the rules. For security configuration also, it's here. For OTP, multi-factor authentication, it's here. For database configuration, it's here. Okay, then the most important part is the controllers. Controllers here, if you will modify the application, for sure you need to work here in controllers. Let's say, see, API controllers. These controllers for any action request and HTTP request for APIs by iOS and Android, all located here. Let's say, see, there is a post request mapping for login. So this is the logic code for login. This is for log out. This is verify, OTP, check in for attendance, and there is a check out also here. Okay, asset controller, anything related to asset, it will be here, the asset actions, and so on. Employee controller for creating employee, editing employee, assign rules for employee. Geolocation controller, main controller for dashboard, and for OTP, login, log out also. Change password is here. So it's easy, and I write comment. In some places you will find a comment there. Okay, DTO, this is for, like, I want to transfer or shift object from front end to back end, so I'm using DTO, or you can say data to object. It's a class, it's like a class to hold the data between front end and back end. Modules, this is the database tables. It will be converted to database tables. So if you want to add any field to database, let's say devices, I want to add a new field, you can add a new field here. Let's say you want to add name, so you will write private string name. So when you run the application, it will map the field here to the table, and the table name is devices. See, table name devices. and the same all for the modules here. Repositories here, any SQL transaction, it will be created here. Anything related to SQL, it will be here. Services, something additional I used for more complicated task, so I use services. And that's it. You need to read Spring Boot documentation to learn more about it if you willing to customize the project. Thank you. See you in the next video.